Central BBQ in Memphis. They have outdoor seating. It's like right over there. They're like picnic tables. It's nothing fancy, but they say this is like, the girl from Sun Studios said this is one of the best barbecues in all of Memphis. And then here's a sign over here that says Central BBQ. Right there. Stan, you ready to go get some barbecue?
Yeah, it was really good last time we were here, so can't wait to get some more. Central BBQ has 3 locations in Memphis. This is the original one. You can't miss it. It's got this striped tiger out front that's got a pond scene on it, blue and red and really cool looking. And it's called Tiger Lily. Tiger Lily is awesome. And depending on when you come, there can be a long line out the door and a long wait. But this is a Thursday night and it's not real busy. And there's outdoor and indoor seating. It's pretty nice, so we might eat outdoors. And they've got a big menu. All kinds of sandwiches and plates. A lot of sides, slaw, greens, barbecue beans, mac and cheese, pork rinds, tons of stuff. I had the barbecue chicken and nachos last time I was here, and that was really good. It's like Christmas here. Chuck Norris says, do not hold the door open. That's when there's long lines, I guess. The hard part is deciding what you want to eat here. I don't think you could go wrong. They've got their own Central BBQ hot rub and barbecue shake, rib rub, different hot sauces. And I think we've decided to get a full order of barbecue nachos with pork, and we're just going to share it.
What does it come with it besides the nachos and the pork? Does it have cheese? Like
nachos, cheese, shredded cheese, and also jalapeno shrimp.
How late are you guys open?
Till 9. And do you just call our number, or they bring it? Okay, all right. Thank you. And they've got pumps for vinegar, mustard, mild and hot sauce, ketchup. There's a Central BBQ. There's our order. That's a full order. That's still pretty big, even for 2 of us. So we're gonna tackle it and see what we get done. It looks good and smells good. I got some jalapenos on the side. How is it, Donna?
No, it's really good.
There's a lot here. That's too much for us to eat, I'm pretty sure, but it's good, so.
Maybe 4 people could share it.
Yeah. We might be able to make a good dent in it, though. We're hungry.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this meat.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
You can tell by Donna's face that it's good. We're probably amateurs, but we got forks just to make it easier and less messy, so we can dig in a little deeper. And because we want dessert, we think we probably could have made do with like a half order. It's just a lot of food there, and it's good. We keep eating it because it's good, but I don't think we can eat it all. We quit there. Now it's on to dessert.
We ate half. I think we ate half. This is peanut butter pie with chocolate syrup. And this is just their homemade cheesecake.
That looks good. What other choices did they have?
A fudge brownie with ice cream on it.
Yeah.
So it was just those 3.
Yeah.
But she said this is the best desserts that go with barbecue.
Yeah, I believe it. Why didn't you get all 3?
Sorry. You'd already had ice cream today.
That's true.
I want it again.
I always want ice cream. No, this will be plenty. Describe it, Donna.
Oh my gosh.
That's so
It's
good.
like peanut butter mixed with cream cheese. You've got to try it. This is peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then this is a homemade cheesecake.
yeah.
They actually make them here. He said that is not store-bought. This is peanut butter pie. It's like a cream cheese mixed with whipped cream mixed with peanut butter. And then they drizzle the chocolate syrup on it.
So it's good.
Oh my god.
It's good. Donna's giving me some of her chocolate syrup. That's true love. Thanks, honey. Cheesecake is really good just by itself, but chocolate will make it better.
Yeah, in honor of Elvis Presley is why I had to have the peanut butter pie, because he loved peanut butter. And it has a little bit of marshmallow cream in it, which makes it really good. They just left off the bananas,
Yeah.
because he liked bananas. Sandwich that he had, which was like peanut butter, bananas, and marshmallow cream. And then he actually dipped it in egg and flour and fried it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Way to cook. So this is for you, Elvis. But bring your own bananas if you want. And they actually smoke their barbecue here. They have a smokehouse, and they do it all on site. What'd you think of the restaurant, Donna?
Thumbs up.
Way up. That was really good.
5 out of 5.
Or 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
20 out of 20.
It was good last time, so it did
Yeah.
not disappoint.
We came hungry, but it was still too much food.
Because they were very generous with their portions.
Yeah.
And even the full order, like both of us ate for like 15 with our drinks included.
Yeah.
16.
16 total. We were full, but we still had room for dessert, and it was really good.
And you get the cool take-home cup too that says Central BBQ on it, smoked Memphis
Yeah.
style.
Yeah. Look at that pig.
Yeah.
We made pigs of ourselves too. But we recommend you come here. There are 3 locations. This is the original. There's one downtown and one on the east side. So I'm sure any of them are good. This one is great.
See you real soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye.